why are we gathered here? I don't know, but please tell me fast. I'm so excited. There will be a Topkins like me in the Shopkins surprise. I'm also a Topkins. Hey, get out of me. You're also a Topkins. Sorry, Queenie Cake. What surprises? What surprises are they gonna be? I think there will be. Sorry, Philippa Flash. I think there will be a key surprise today. We are going Eggcellent today. There's gonna be a lot of fun today. I love balloons. I'm so fuzzy to know about that one. I'm gonna be popping today to see the egg that Eggcellent pop like me. Pop. And there should be skill Shopkins inside like me. I'm so cool. But hello there, my dear awesome viewers and fans. Today we are going to open these two little eggies, and also there's Peppa Pig egg. So let's keep here and go to Shopkins on this side. And let's open this Peppa Pig egg. And it also shows in this booklet that surprise egg and fruit juice gummies. I hope that you guys can see that one. And so let's open this up. Oh wow, there's a cute little stamp on it. Did you see that? There is Tommy on the stamp. So let's open the stamp and see how it's. Oh, that has Tommy picture on it. That too matches. Let's see that stamps. Oh, did you see that? It's so cute, but that's not a clear one. It's okay. That's a good stamp. And here's our fruit juice gummy spilled. Oh, it's okay. I have a try it. Yum! The fruit juice gummies are so. I like this fruit juice very much. Did you see that? It's so cool. Okay, now let's put this aside and let's open our Shopkins egg. Which I want to take first. I think the yellow one. So let's. Wow, there's a Christmas present in our Shopkins egg. Wow, I'm so excited. So let's cut it open with my scissors. So hard to open. I got it. So let's open this cap and pop it open. Yeah. And let's. Oh wow, we got a Shopkins on inside. I think this is the Christmas themed Shopkins. So let's cut this open. But these did not come with some blind bags. Wow, she's so cute like a bell. But I don't know her name, but she's so cute. And see the toy on her hand. That's so cute on her hand. So let's keep her here. I think we have a Christmas hat inside. So let's open this up. And we got the Christmas hat inside. That's so perfect. Let's take this one. See this Christmas hat? It's looking like the sleeping hat, but it's so cute. And see the decoration, like that fuzzy decoration on the side and the ball on the top, and the way that comes down. So cute. So let's keep the Shopkins here. I could not find her. Yeah, let's keep this here. And let's open our next egg. Oh wow, we got Shopkins Season 7 eggs with 2 Shopkins inside and also 2 gift boxes to enjoy. So let's open this up. Kind of hard to take, so take my hand. Let's do some magic. Oh, that's a magic! The box already opened on its own. So let's take our checklist. And this is also a season 7. Oh, so good. I think there are over 100 to collect. I'm so excited to collect them all. So let's open this gift box and see who we got. Oh, there's a surprise flying back here. And this gift box is so super duper cool. I have Shopkins on it for S for Shopkins. So let's keep it here. Our gift box. Let's open our next gift box. And it's also different. It's having a Shopkins trademark and this did not have. Let's open this and take our point back out. Wow, it's so cool with the polka dots and the green-like structure. So we have these 2 blind bags. Kind of feel it. Okay, I think this is a big one. I got a big one. It's like a sundae cup. I think there's still sundae inside. So let's cut it with my scissors and see who I got. Uh-oh, that popped out. So, girl. Oh, I'm very correct. It's so sundae inside. And she's so translucent. Did you see that? So translucent. And she's a Shopkins. Yay, we got a Shopkins. That's so cool. And we can also keep Dan Pancake on her. She did not perfectly fit, but that's a kind of a fit. So let's keep it here. Oh, she's so cute and translucent. I'm so excited. Who is here? See, that's a round. So I think there should be any round Shopkins here. We got, wow, the starter. I think this is the Fran Pancake. We get Fran Pancake and we can stack Dan Pancake on the top. Wow, I'm so excited. But she's the different colors. This is a pink one and this is a violet one. But it's not worry, I can also stack them up. I got a Shopkins. So I got 2 Shopkins of one is for Dan Pancake and another waiting. And we got 2 exclusive Christmas presents and also in the gift box. I forgot, I can't put these Christmas presents on this gift box because these are the Christmas presents. So let's put it in and pack them on up. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video and I will see you in my next video. Bye my dear awesome